we'll see like possibilities in Bank Nifty. Is it ready to boom? So stay tuned for a couple of minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, and we'll see the possibilities in Bank Nifty. Is it ready to boom, and how we can possibly define the trading setup to earn on a consistent basis. Let's get started. Here is a monthly chart. Monthly chart, you could clearly see it was in a range, and last month it could trade it above the range, and this month it is successfully closing above 55,700, and it is giving a good positive indication. So considering monthly, it's good, right? So that is nice. Coming to the weekly, very good setup. Actually, there was a rejection. There was a rejection for 56,000 level, and it went down. Good that with the God's grace, it again came up. So this became a very strong support for weekly, right? And this became a strong support, and it remained intact. So this week candle is closing above the previous week candle. You can clearly see here. This week candle is closing above the previous week candle, and that is giving a positive momentum for me. That is giving a positive momentum for me. So that's where I'm positive bullish on the Bank Nifty side. As you know, no guarantee, nothing assurance, all is probability. But looking at the chart, we define the edge, what is the more probable outcome, and we trade for the edge. If it is turned out, that's good to book profit and then or book loss and trade for get ready for the next trade. So according to the chart setup, you can clearly see it was a strong resistance here. First it broke, then tried to broke. It didn't happen again. It was gonna close inside, so all the stop loss, those who were here, might have been eaten, and now Bank Nifty is ready to move as per the weekly chart. Coming to the daily chart, let me hide these things. See, there was a mid consolidation last almost 15 days. It is going through a zone. Okay, those are like momentum trader. This was become a no trade zone, no trade zone. And today, definitely, like it has crossed 28 April level. So this is like almost one back month or 22 April. So this is first time it has closed above 55,600 level and ready to move to the 56,000. So coming to the daily chart, if we draw the support resistance level, you could clearly see there is immediate resistance around 56,000 here, and in between 55,800 here. So we'll have to watch carefully how it goes. But overall, looking at the, if I go on the like short time frame, you could clearly see volumes are increasing, and I could see say that this was kind of a accumulation for the Bank Nifty. Even on 15-minute chart, if we see, it's an uptrend, and this was yesterday's bullish move. Today it came down, and it has started giving an uptrend. So for us, we will again look around this level 55,800, 55,900, a bullish confirmation about this, right? If that happens, then that would be a great sign. Okay, so that is what we will be looking for. So wait, give me a second. I was just drawing the possible. The same thing yesterday, what we draw, we will need some positive candle here, a closure of positive candle to consider it has started moving into up direction, right? Until that will not uh, uh, will, so we'll require something like this, right? We'll require some kind of this kind of pattern. So that is what we are looking for. So if it identifier finds this kind of pattern, then possibly this. So we have to wait for if it is crosses to the previous resistance and hold. If it holds, then we'll turn bullish on 15-minute and hourly chart. So that is what I think we can look on Monday. But overall setup looks to be positive, and like daily, it is following the 20 EMA successfully, just touch and move, so that is very nice. And even on 50-minute and like the scalpers 3-minute chart, it is also following 20 EMA, so that is good, right? Thanks. So coming to the targets, like if it is breaks this level, what will be the immediate target? So the one way that we can draw the targets based on Fibonacci in this previous scene. So immediate could be around 55,600 level and then 60,000 around region. Okay. So these are the probable target. Let me draw it for our reference and we'll see like if it succeeds to cross this. Okay. So this is the first target that what we could see, and then this could be the next target. So this is based on the Fibonacci, right? And there would be some more similar target we can draw based on and the depth of the market. So if you could see, if we consider this as a triangle, so the way, let me draw it in a different way. So if we consider it as a triangle, considering this is the height of the triangle, we can expect similar move once the triangle is break from the upside. So yeah, so this is coming somewhere here, 58,300 level. So so or if I take this level, let's see, just close to the previous low, ignoring this candle. So what is that? That comes around 57,000 only. Okay. So let's see, we'll watch this level based on the size of the triangle, that previous triangle. These are the levels coming. Let's quickly see how the Nifty Bank Nifty. So overall India weeks, as we are discussing, if it goes below 50, that will be good. People will feel secure and they will start buying, right? That is what it is. Sensex closure on daily indices, weekly. Sensex is not giving any positive sentiment as of now. Nifty is still okay. Nifty is still okay on daily basis. It is showing some positive move, but it has to cross about 24,826 level to become positive, and it has very good hurdle at 25,100. So we have to wait and watch here. No urgency. Finance setup is the same as we have seen. So looks to be okay. And apart from that, gold side, yesterday we thought that it is coming and it will cross, but that didn't happen. So we'll have to wait. The resistance has not broken, and yeah, after 95,000, it is again 94,730. So yeah, it's again has been following the range. So there is no clarity on the gold side. Okay. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or anything, last but nothing, just yeah, is something that we need to watch before we close today's club. Yes, DINR is gearing up for the high value, so that is something not good for me. I expect USDINR to trade at the previous level, 84 level, so that it won't impact market. If it is increasing, then definitely that has impact on the market, and based on which sector, the tariffs and all that, those sector will not perform or others will perform. So there is no direct correlation, but for me, I'm looking that if it is in the range of 84,000, that was a good market, can easily pick up the momentum. We'll see. Today there is news on Friday evening on the US market, NFP and all. After that, we'll see like how it performs. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Have a great, wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you. If you have any questions, any suggestions, let me know. And I wish you a great trading sessions and big profits. You replace your job income and business income by your trading profits and have freedom. You will get a freedom where you can choose your life. That's where we are into. Thank you, thank you, thank you.